Okay, guys, we got a package here. Let's see what it is. I have an idea what it is. Okay. It is called, oh man, it's ruined in the front. Let's see if I can smash it. Treasure Lost in Sea, Diving to the World's Great Shipwrecks by Robert F. Marx and Jennifer Marx. So, let's see when this is published. Let's see here, 2004. Sir Robert Marx, or however you want to call him. I met him. And just all about the mineral galleons. Wow. Got something there. Wrecks of the Mariana Islands, that's the Concepcion. Check that out. Oh yeah, that's the Chinese solid J Chinese carriage recovered by the Nuestra Senora de Buen Voyage off of Guam. Check that out. It's like the dragon and the lion and the carving. Here's a Chinese porcelain plate recovered from Manila galleon found in Acapulco Bay of Mexico. Somewhat questionable. Manila galleon off the Philippines. The graveyard ships of Bermuda. I mean, this is shipwrecks all around the world. The Age of Great Discovery. I can go on. The Scandinavian shipwrecks. Robert Marx did his due. Good book to have. Beat up a little bit, but kind of gives it character, to be honest with you. Yeah, heck, for $5 is not bad, right? So this will go in my collection here. Top and bottom is all history and shipwrecks and genealogy. Bottom two, and there you go. Let's just add to it. You got like 30 more books to get from Robert Marx. Look at that painting. The East Indiaman. The Portuguese shipwreck captured in Malacca, which is Indonesia. Check that out. Just sitting there. Underwater archaeologists exploring remains of a 17th century artistic Asiatic trading vessel off of the Philippines. The image ceramic dragons were made in Burma. There you go. Like and subscribe.